DHEC's Bureau of Environmental Health Services provides site approvals and permits for all on-site wastewater or septic systems to ensure that the septic tanks are installed correctly. Let's look at what all goes into issuing an on-site wastewater permit. During your site visit, the on-site wastewater inspector will sketch the property to show property dimensions and all pertinent structures, conduct soil samples, and note any topographical features that affect the system design. It's important that you have prepared and properly cleared your site for your site evaluation. Our on-site wastewater inspectors will first do a detailed sketch of the property. This sketch will take into consideration the property dimensions and all related structures. For example, wells and ditches that could affect system performance. Next, our on-site wastewater inspector will start the complicated and important task of conducting a soil sample. Properly sampling and identifying soil texture and color directly impacts how the septic system is constructed. If done incorrectly, it could lead to harmful effects to the community and the environment. 3 soil samples must be collected on each site to determine if the soil is suitable for a septic system. Inspectors retrieve soil samples by using a hand auger to bore into the ground. The soil boring depth must be at least 12 inches deeper than the maximum trench depth stated in the permit. If this depth cannot be reached using a hand auger, the inspector may have to return to the site with special equipment. The color and texture of the soil is then documented. Color is determined using the Munsell color chart. Soil texture is also recorded using the proper soil classification. The color and classification of the soil will help to determine the length of the septic tank drain field. Weather and rain can affect the quality of soil samples, so site visits may be delayed to ensure soil evaluations are performed accurately. If this step is done incorrectly, the length of the drain field could be wrong and could possibly cause a septic system to malfunction in the future. For more information on septic tank permitting, visit scdhec.gov/septic tanks.